Welcome! Hello everyone, welcome to the Hunger Games challenge behind the scenes. For this challenge, I'm going to turn myself into 4 characters from the Hunger Games. This is gonna be a long one. For reference, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so let's see how long I'm going to take to get ready for the first character, which is going to be Effie Trinket. I already made the top off camera. As you can see, it's full of butterflies. I also have a microphone and I made a little hat for my head. So let's start the makeup and jump into the next transition.
Welcome, welcome.
Okay, let's finish the makeup. Okay, the makeup is done. Now for the hair. Oh, the gloves.
Welcome to the 74th Primrose Everdeen.
Effie's transitions are done and it's 20 past 5. So now I'm going to remove all of this makeup and we're going to jump into the next character. The next character is going to be Primrose. Her makeup is quite simple, so I might be able to do this fast. I'm gonna do 2 braids like she has on the movie. Okay, Prim's hair and makeup is done. Brown contacts in, Mockingjay pin, and it's now 6:30. Prim's transition is going to be pretty simple. Let's go. Prim's part is done and it's been about 10 minutes. All this work to just record for 10 minutes. Yeah, time to rinse off everything again and then we'll jump to the next character. Hello, it's the next day and it's 12:43 and I'm going to be doing this character called Glimmer, I think. I'm going to do the makeup for the wasp scene. I'm going to do the before. I just need to do her hairstyle real quick. I made this prosthetic yesterday morning, which is the blisters we can see in the movie from the wasps. So let's finish her makeup and get to it. Now for the prosthetic. Blending the edges. Okay, we're done. It's 1:46. Okay, time to rinse this off, and the next character is Katniss. 3rd day of filming, and it's 6:32. Let's see how long this next makeup is going to take. For Katniss, I'm gonna go for a minimalistic look because her makeup on the movie is quite natural. It doesn't seem like she has any on. Let's see how long that takes. Okay, here's my bow. This is a real bow. Oof. This character, Katniss, is very dear to me because I cosplayed her about 7 years ago. I don't even know. I'm gonna put up a photo of my cosplay because this brings me so many memories. Time for transitions. Okay, first Katniss version is done and it's 6:51.
I volunteer as tribute!
This took about 10 minutes and now let's change into the next costume. Ta-da! Now it's time to apply other prosthetics. I'm going to be gluing them here and in my hand. Oh, I forgot to tell you the time. It's currently 8 o'clock. I'm thinking maybe an hour and a half. This is Makeup Puzz. Transition done, it's 8:36, and all that's left is the Mockingjay armor. This is gonna hurt. Okay, next Katniss is done. It's 9:15 and I hope to get this transition done ASAP because I'm starving. Also, I made this armor quickly last night. I also made the shoulder pieces and I think it does the trick at least. Let's do the last transition finally and I guess we'll be done with the video. Oh my goodness. I think we're officially done and it's 9:28. Oh my god. Okay, this was faster than I thought. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the final result and I also hope this tutorial was helpful in any way. So stay tuned for more videos and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!